Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a student or someone preparing for exams or interviews, or if you're struggling to retain information, then this video is for you. Let me quickly show you the website. This is Recallix, a study tool that helps you remember what you learn using active recall. Most students reread and highlight, but still forget. Recallix fixes retention, improves focus, and reduces exam anxiety. Here are 9 learning modes like Sprint, Flash, Echo, Jumble, and more. So you don't just read, you practice. It's built on proven memory science. If you want to study smarter, try Recallix for free. Now, let me show you the guide cards. From here, you can use features like study music, mind maps, groups, and the text-to-Q&A extractor to turn your notes into active recall practice. Let me show you the sample text library. In this library, you can find religious scriptures, pretty organized. This is a complete data analytics course, question and answers with interview questions for preparation. It has data analyst interview prep folders, Python, SQL, Power BI. This is for anyone who wants to try without creating content from scratch. Microsoft Excel. This library has literature categories, classic selections, Shakespeare's sonnets, a total of 154, and more. So you can download it, load it into the subject folder directly, and get started memorizing. Let me add one sonnet. And if you click on open, it will lead you to that memorization section. As you can see, it's added in the subject dashboard already in an organized folder, so you don't need to worry about that. So for now, I'm going to create my own science subject folder. You can tag these folders as important, hard, whatever you want. So let me quickly add the new section or chapter for my subject. Guys, you can directly add text if you want, but I like to stay organized. That's why I'm creating chapter 1. Let me quickly add a question and answer. I already copied one memory text to show you. This is the Recall Hub, where the real learning happens. Instead of just reading, you practice using different game modes designed for your brain. As you play, your mastery level increases, so you can clearly see how well you actually remember the content. Along with the games, you have a focus mode timer. It's based on the Pomodoro technique. So you study for 25 minutes, take a short break, and then continue without burning out. This helps you stay focused, avoid procrastination, and track how much real study time you're putting in. Let me show you one of my favorite modes, Sprint. This uses bionic reading, where key parts of words are highlighted so your brain processes text much faster. Instead of reading line by line, your brain automatically fills in the rest, helping you finish passages quicker without losing understanding. You can adjust the boldness, the length of the highlights. You can change the fonts as well, and even the font size to match what feels natural for your eyes. This mode is called Flash. In this, you will have to click arrow buttons and text is shown with voice.
Memory is the brain's ability to store, retain, and recall information. It helps us learn from past experiences and apply knowledge in the present.
You can also switch to emoji mode and control the size and opacity, which makes learning more engaging and helps with focus. The text is revealed step by step, either phrase by phrase or word by word.
Memory is the brain's ability to retain and information. It helps us learn.
You can also mute the voices. Next is fade mode. Instead of showing the full text, you can gradually hide words and letters using these sliders. You decide how much help you want. Start easy by hiding just a few words, then increase the difficulty as you get better. Your brain is forced to actively reconstruct the missing parts, which makes the memory stick much longer. And whenever you need help, you can instantly reveal the text again and continue learning. Next is Echo, and it's perfect for hands-free learning. Instead of reading, you can listen to your content like an audiobook.
Memory is the brain's ability to store, retain, and recall information. It helps us learn from past experiences and apply knowledge in the present. There are three main types of memory: sensory, short-term, and long-term. Short-term memory holds information for a few seconds or minutes. Long-term memory.
You can customize the voice, speed, pitch, and lower the volume so it feels natural to you. This is great for revision, multitasking, or when your eyes are tired but you still want to learn.
Information for days, years, or even a lifetime.
In Hints, you can choose whether to practice a single paragraph or the entire text. And this is where you really train your long-term memory. Instead of just showing answers, it takes you through 4 structured levels of recall. You start with encode, where you see the full text and you have to type first letter. You can skip levels, and in Recall, the text is reduced to just the first letter of each word, and only few words are shown, pushing your brain to actively reconstruct the sentence. You can restart, and the lightning icon enables haptic feedback. It vibrates if you enter an incorrect letter when you are on phone, and you can even toggle full word visibility if you need help. In Retain, even more support is removed. You have to type the first letter without any hints. And finally, in Scribe, you type the full text yourself with almost no help, letter by letter, which locks the information into long-term memory. This mode is designed to move knowledge from recognition to true recall, step by step. So this mode is Close. Here, parts of the text are removed, and your job is to rebuild the sentence by choosing the correct word from the options below. The key part is you can't move forward until you select the right word, which forces true active recall instead of guessing. Each correct choice unlocks the next blank, so you're constantly engaging with the meaning of the sentence. This mode is excellent for improving accuracy, attention, and long-term retention. This mode is called Jumble. Here the content is broken into chunks and shuffled out of order. Your task is to drag and rearrange each line into the correct logical sequence. Once you're done, you hit check order and it shows your accuracy instantly. If the order isn't perfect, you can review the mistakes and try again until you reach 100%. This is the quiz mode. Here, the text is turned into quick multiple-choice questions, one word at a time. For each blank, you choose the correct option from the given choices. Your score updates as you go, and at the end, you get a clear accuracy report. This mode is perfect for fast revision, exam practice, and testing yourself under pressure. And this is Recite mode, and this is the most powerful recall test in Recallix. Here you don't type or choose answers, you speak the content out loud. You can select the entire text or break it into timed blocks like 30 seconds per section and choose your difficulty level. In level 1, you get partial hints to guide you. In level 2, it switches to pure recall. You tap the mic, recite the text clearly, and Recallix transcribes and evaluates your response in real time. Let me show you the study music section. Here you can choose ambient sounds like rain, forest, ocean, or cafe noise to create a calm, distraction-free study environment. You can pause, play, and shuffle music. You can adjust the volume. These sounds help your brain stay relaxed and focused while you're learning. It's designed to keep you in the zone for longer study sessions without mental fatigue. You can even upload your own custom audio if you prefer something specific. Colored noises section, which helps block distractions and improve focus. You can choose between white noise to mask everything, pink noise for a balanced, rain-like sound, or brown noise for deeper, low-frequency rumble. You can fine-tune the sound using the muffle to clarity slider. All right, now let me show you one of the most powerful focus tools inside Recallix, brainwave entrainment. This section is designed to gently guide your brain into specific mental states using sound. You'll notice two types here, binaural beats and isochronic tones. First, binaural beats. These require headphones. Each ear hears a slightly different frequency, and your brain naturally syncs to the difference between them. This is ideal for deep focus, meditation, or sleep. The extractor is a time-saving feature inside Recallix. The extractor is designed to turn PDFs and documents into ready-to-study questions and answers in just a few steps. It supports OCR, but I don't have camera. Let me take one PDF. You can either drag and drop a document here or use the upload or scan buttons to add your file. Right now, it supports PDFs up to 200 megabytes, so even large study materials work smoothly. Only highlight a line or word and click Mark Question. If you highlight another part and click Mark Answer, it becomes the answer linked to that question. And below, you'll see the generated Q&A list. This section shows all the question-answer pairs you've created so far. You can move up and down. Once you're satisfied, just click Save, and those Q&A pairs instantly and organized in a section and become interactive study content. And you can download also and use instantly in Recallix's game modes: Flash, Quiz, Close, Recite, and more. In short, the extractor helps you convert passive reading into active recall, saving hours of manual note-making and making your learning far more effective. You can upload MS Word and TXT file also. Now let me show you the Groups feature. Groups let you study together. Create a group or join using a code. Admins can create assignments. This list shows all the study content available in your app. You can enforce sprint, hints, close, quiz, recite, whatever you want. Set accuracy goals and deadlines. You can see the study content preview and the required modes you must complete. You can start assignments as an admin also. Admins can instantly see who has started, who hasn't, and who needs a reminder. Post announcements that stay permanently visible. Members also receive notifications. Inside the Updates tab, admins can post announcements or reminders. These updates stay permanently visible and also trigger notifications, so no one misses important instructions. You can delete the announcements. You can see how many members are there. Anyone with this code can join your group, perfect for classmates or teammates. Track who completed what, average accuracy, attempts, and rankings. Export results as CSV if needed. You can rename and delete a group, and this permanently removes all members' assignments and progress. So that's how study groups in Recallix work, from managing groups, assigning tasks, tracking progress, to keeping everyone accountable. And this is Mind Map helps you visually organize your entire syllabus. Every block you see represents your learning structure: subjects, chapters, individual memorization items. You can click on buttons to hide nodes. You can bulk moving, bulk resizing, increase text size for selected blocks, and progress tracking makes studying faster and smarter. Spread button automatically spreads out all blocks evenly, preventing overlap and clutter. Each block shows a progress indicator, and you'll also notice a super reading icon on blocks. You can read that content. You can also search for question, and it will show that block. You also have options to restart the layout or save your current arrangement. You can undo as well. Everything is connected visually, so instead of scrolling lists, you can see your knowledge. And from the subject dashboard, you can click on this network icon to show that subject syllabus blocks only. So that's the mind map. All right, now let's talk about customization. This is the global theme section. You'll find ready-made themes like Focus Blue, Nature Green, and Pastel Study. Everything you change here applies across the entire app. And in Deep Dark mode, you can customize the accent color using the color picker. So that's global theme in Recallix. And you'll see Note Page mode. When you turn this on, all writing areas switch to a realistic ruled notebook style background. It's perfect if you're used to physical notebooks and want that familiar writing feel digitally. This is the global fonts section. Everything you set here applies to the entire application: notes, questions, games, mind maps, assignments, and dashboards. You can choose fonts and increase the font size. This is the language settings page. From here, you can switch the language. At the top, you'll see a live preview sentence. You can choose languages in Recallix. It supports 5 languages: English, Spanish, French, Arabic, and Urdu. And in Account Details page, you can see and update your profile details. And can change password easily. This is the Notifications and Reminders section. From here, you can control how and when Recallix notifies you. You can enable or disable group announcements, assignments, and daily study reminders. Now let me show you the pricing page, because I believe tools should be clear, honest, and fair, especially when you're investing your time and effort into learning. Recallix has a free plan that lets you try the core experience. You can create memorization items, use basic modes, explore mind maps, and understand how active recall works. But if you're a serious learner, preparing for exams, interviews, or mastery, that's where Recallix Pro comes in. With Pro, you unlock unlimited memorization, cloud sync across devices, advanced mind mapping, full super reading access, study music, extractor support for PDFs and documents, and deeper recall modes. One important thing, voice recall uses real AI processing, which has a cost. So Pro includes a fair daily usage limit, and if you need more, you can simply add voice packs. These add-on packs are one-time purchases. Your minutes never expire, and you only consume credits when you're actively recording. Everything you just saw is available to try for free. Pricing only scales when your learning does. If you're tired of forgetting what you study, give it a try. Link is in the description. Let me know what you think. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share it with anyone you know who's studying, and try Recallix yourself. See you in the next one.